Southern Delight. So glad that you joined me today, and happy 4th of July. I hope you're enjoying it. Well, we got rained out, and then my husband's been feeling a little bit under the weather. So what I had to do today was I'm bringing the party that we were going to have outside, inside, and then it's just going to be the two of us. So I hope you'll stay tuned because I've got a really neat recipe that I wanted to share with you. And as you can see, I've been cooking on the grill. And normally I'm not the one on the grill, but like I said, he's been feeling a little bit under the weather. So, and then the weather's bad outside on top of it. So I'm just bringing a little bit of cheer inside. So stay tuned. Well, as you can see, the rain's kind of put a damper on our 4th of July celebration, but that doesn't stop us from grilling. We're underneath the patio here. Got the grill going. These are the veggies here. Smells wonderful. I'm going to be making a really quick pina colada shrimp dip, and I'm using some coconut milk here. And as you can see, don't be alarmed when the coconut milk comes out of the can. Sometimes it is in a solid form, or it's a little bit more solid than liquid. But I'm using about 1/4 cup of that. I'm going to be using a handful of pineapple chunks and then 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar to make my dipping sauce. Works, but I'm not sure we're going to get to see any. I did see a little bit peek through the trees there.
Happy 4th
Happy
of July.
Happy 4th of July. I hope y'all have a good one.